In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Calculus Applied course on Harvard Online, and how you can get officially Harvard certified in 2026. This is a step-by-step beginner-friendly guide, and you don't need any prior experience with Harvard's platform to follow along. If you're looking to boost your academic profile, improve your math skills, or add a globally recognized Harvard certificate to your resume, this video is for you. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button because it really helps the channel, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow education and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard Online website by typing in harvardonline.harvard.edu/course. This is Harvard University's official learning platform, where they host professional and academic courses from top faculty. Make sure you're on the correct site and not a third-party page. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available courses, along with a search option. At the top of the page, locate the search bar and click on it. Now type in Calculus Applied exactly as it appears, including the exclamation mark if possible. As you type, the course should appear in the search results. Click on the course titled Calculus Applied to open the full course page. On this page, you'll see detailed information about the course, including what you'll learn, the syllabus, course duration, effort required per week, and the instructor details. Take a moment to scroll through and read the overview so you understand what the course covers and whether it matches your learning goals. Once you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the page and click it. You'll now be prompted to either sign in or create an account. If you already have a Harvard Online or edX linked account, simply log in using your existing credentials. If not, you'll need to create a new account by entering your email address, creating a password, and filling in some basic personal details. After signing in, you'll be guided through the enrollment process. This is where you'll confirm whether you want to take the verified track that includes the Harvard certificate. Select the paid option if you want to receive an official certificate upon completion. Next, fill in your personal information as requested, including your name, which will appear on your certificate, so double-check for accuracy. After that, proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment details and complete the checkout process securely on the platform. Once payment is successful, you'll be officially enrolled in the Calculus Applied course. You can now start learning immediately or come back later and access the course from your dashboard at any time. As you progress through the course, make sure to complete all required lessons, assignments, and assessments. This is important because you must meet the course requirements to qualify for the Harvard certificate. After successfully finishing the course, your verified Harvard certificate will be issued and available for download and sharing. You can add it to your resume, LinkedIn profile, or academic portfolio to showcase your achievement. And that's it. You've now learned how to access the Calculus Applied course on Harvard Online and earn a Harvard certified credential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.